It's March 15, 2021, Monday. Good evening. This is Lori B. Montejo and you are watching NNC Daily Newscast. Philippines has vaccinated 193,492 health workers against COVID-19 as of March 13, 2021. The Department of Health update as of Monday. The COVID vaccine make up to 34%, half of the 1,125,600 doses that have been arrived in the Philippines. And the other half of the doses is reserved for the health workers because as of now, frontliners workers in the health facilities are the top priority in the government vaccination program, followed by senior citizen and the person with comorbidities. As of now, the Philippines has 48,157 active COVID-19 cases as of Sunday, March 14, 2021. Also, the Department of Health also said 90% of the stocks of the vaccine has been distributed to the vaccination sites. The local news. On Friday, March 5, 2021, the Davao region started its vaccination program against COVID-19 at the Southern Philippines Medical Center with the Chinese pharmaceutical firm Sinovac. The COVID-19 vaccine has arrived this week with 2 batches, with 12,000 doses on March 2 and 21,600 doses on March 4. Davao City has a total COVID-19 vaccine of 33,600 doses of Sinovac COVID vaccine. The Department of Health Director Annabel P. Yumang said that the available vaccine can inoculated to a total of 16,800 healthcare workers in the region of Davao City. In Davao region, apart from SPMC, the vaccination activity will also be rolled out in the other provinces like in Tulunan and Kidapawan. Davao City has already identified 24,000 individuals as the priority for the vaccination, which include the 400 health workers, the other frontliners, and the senior citizen. On the showbiz news, Miss Philippines Rabia Mateo is already preparing for the international pageant, which is scheduled to be held on May 16, 2021. Rabia Mateo previewed his catwalk dub, which she called Halabira Walk. Rabia Mateo spent a lot of time to master the walk because she said it is important for her to get up immediately when she stepped on the Miss Universe stage. Aside from runway, Miss Universe Philippines Rabia Mateo also practicing her question and answer, makeup preparation, and personality development. Rabia Mateo also allegedly had on her acting workshop to develop her acting skills. Apart from all trainings, Rabia Mateo also goes through psychological session to stay in good mental health, since it is difficult to be a pageant candidate in the Miss Universe. Rabia Mateo also said she is very determined to bring home the 5th Miss Universe crown to the Philippines. Again, this is Lori B. Montejo reporting.